Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different alkene compounds are given. P is alkene with connected 5 member and 3 member. Q is 2 5 member. R is 2 3 member. You have to find the compound with low rotational barrier. How the ring will rotate freely. Here low rotational barrier means the double bond converts into single bond. So you have to convert double bond into single bond. So what way it is possible? Here the stability of cation and anion has the possibility. Double bond becomes single bond there. Here the most stable anion and cation form. Most stable are the single bond. Which compound will stay as single? Here if you look at P, both rings are aromatic if charge is separated. Because 6 pi and 2 pi form the Huckel rule. Then the Q, one ring is anti-aromatic, another ring is aromatic, so it will not form because it's highly unstable. Then R there, one is anti-aromatic, so the charge will not form at all. So double bond stay as single bond. So double bond stay as double bond, don't rotate. So our answer is P. Both rings are aromatic, so it will stay as single bond. The rotation is free, mostly barrier is 0. Here the concept you have to learn here is the stable anion and cation forms low rotational barrier. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.